If you're looking for an amazing home located in a beautifully gated community with multiple parks, social activities, pickleball and basketball courts, we have the perfect home for you.
I'm Holly Hoffner.
And I'm Kim Nathanson with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Arizona Properties.
And we'd love to introduce you to our latest listing.
Located in the lushly landscaped gated community of Montevista in Cave Creek, Arizona, this Montero model, built in 2013, has over 3,700 square feet of living space. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, plus a bonus room or office in the main home, and your guests will love the 1-bed, 1-bath casita off the private gated courtyard.
You'll love the spacious open floor plan, perfect for large gatherings and entertaining. Plenty of windows make this area light and bright.
The kitchen is large and open and has plenty of room for food prep and entertaining with large granite island and a raised breakfast bar. Holidays will be a breeze with dual ovens, 5-burner gas cooktop, and plenty of room for storage.
Retreat to the amazing primary suite complete with sitting area, dual vanities, soaking tub, separate shower, and large walk-in closet. The split floor plan offers plenty of privacy with bedrooms 2 and 3 with a shared bath on the other side. The dedicated home office has a built-in Murphy bed.
The private lush backyard has an extended covered patio, a sparkling pool and spa with water feature, and a fire pit for those chilly Arizona nights.
There is so much offered in this gated community, plus it's conveniently located near the historic downtown areas of Cave Creek and Carefree, in addition to Desert Ridge and High Street.
For more information on this home or the Montevista community,
contact us today at montevistalife.com.